Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for GoodBudget. If you want to get started and manage your budget and track your experience with the GoodBudget application, then you'll first need to create a new account and register. So in order to do that, first of all, download the GoodBudget application on your device and launch it open. From the first interface of GoodBudget, if you are just getting started, tap on Create New Household. Now, set up your budget by customizing your income and envelopes to create a new budget that works for you. After you are done with it, on the next page, simply go ahead and type in an email address in the registration page. Create a password for your account right where it says password. After creating a secure password, you can double check the password by sliding the slider right next to show password. After you are happy with your password that you've just set up, if you want to receive email updates, toggle on the button right next to send me email updates, and then finally tap on the save button at the top right corner. Now, once your household has been successfully registered, you can now start tracking your expenses and manage your accounts from the platform. So that is how you can easily sign up for a GoodBudget account. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.